Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change microphone to use for your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro 3. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now you need to scroll down and you need to find microphone line. Tap at this line and now by default I guess it uses automatic, so it switch between the microphone at your earbuds, but you can set it only to use it on the left or right earbud. So now select the best one for you. I guess I will return to automatic, but you can also select something else. Just tap on it and then click confirm. Now we need to wait a bit. Is this earbuds reconnect with my phone? Yes, so we can finally reconnect them with the application, and let's check is it change. Yes, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!